Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're noticing the setting for login and passwords is not being saved in Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial here today, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up our Mozilla Firefox web browser. And then you want to navigate over to the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen. Should be three horizontal lines. You want to go ahead and just left click on that one time and then select options. Select the privacy and security option on the left side. And now you want to scroll down here where it says underneath logins and passwords, ask to save login and passwords for websites. You want to go ahead and check mark inside that box here. And then that should hopefully be about it. Close out of here when you're done. And I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.